Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So I'm back again with a new video. So in this video I'm going to talk to you about the continuation and how we can take trades on reversal. So now you can see here, if you analyze here, the market is getting the rejections in this zone. So this is the level. This candle made a new high. It is a sign of continuation in an uptrend in the middle of the trend. So now you can see market is going up. So the market has to close as a bullish. So let's see what happens here. I need to check the level here. Okay, now this time after this candlestick, okay, can I go here with the sellers? I want to analyze the market here. Yes, I can go here with the sellers, but I need a good entry point. Okay, I'm waiting here for a good entry point. No issues. Market is trying to go down. So now if I want to analyze the market here, I'm seeing here a buyer's rejection in this zone, so I will wait. Okay, right now sellers are strong, buyers are weak. Now you can see sellers are very strong, so I need to only check the level. Okay, I can go here with the sellers. I have taken my trade here with the margin of safety. Now you will see market will get a rejection and it will close below my entry point. So now you can see market is trying to go down. Okay, so I'm watching this market carefully. So now after this candlestick, okay, I'm expecting here a buyer's entry. So buyers are entering into the market. So now you can see I won my trade with the margin of safety, but buyers entered, so no issues. I want to analyze another market. Okay, again I can go here with the buyers. I have taken my trade here with the margin of safety again, and the candle has to go up and it has to close above my entry point. I can expect here a buyer's entry, so let's see. Okay, or I can get here a hammer type candlestick, so let's see what happens here. I can expect here again a rejection, so let's see. For me the candle has to close above my entry point. Okay, because I analyzed the levels accurately. Okay, now you can see I won this trade. Now you can see again I can go here with the buyers confidently. Now you can see I have taken my trade here. So the market has to get a big rejection and it has to close above this point, because I am seeing here a buyer's entries and this is the level. So because of this level it made a new high. So let's see what happens here. Okay, now you can see market is trying to go up. It has to go up again. My entry point is good, so I will win this. Okay, so I won this trade. Now again I can go here with the okay, so this time I can not trust this one. So if the candle goes up, I'm going to take my trade in a down direction. So let's see. If the candle goes up, I'm going to take my trade in a down direction. But right now I'm late, I cannot take any trade here. Okay, so I need to open another pair in this Euro JPY. If the candle comes down, I'm going to take my trade in an up direction. So let's see. Market already reversed. Okay, I need to open another pair. I can go here with the buyers. Yes, I can go here with the buyer because this candle is a very strong candle. So the market can go up from this zone, so it has to go up. No, it was a wrong trade. Okay, so now I can go here with the bias. Now you will see market will go up again. I got here a very good entry point. Now you can see market has to go up again. Okay, it will not respect this one, so it has to get the rejection from this area. Now you can see again market is going up, so it has to go up again and it has to close above my entry points. No issues at all. It will get a rejection again. Yes, it has to go up and it has to close above my entry points for sure. Okay, now you can see I won this trade. Now again I want to analyze the market here. I can go here with the sellers confidently. Now you can see market has to go down from this point. This is a reversal candle. Market will make this move here. So now you can see market is going to reverse from this area. The next candle will definitely be a bearish candle, a red candle. So let's see. There is no chance for this candle to close as a bullish. It has to close as a bearish. Market will come down again. It has to get a big rejection. It has to come down and it has to close as a bearish. Yes, I won my trade again. So you can see here I have taken few trades. I lost only I think one trade, and that was this area, because you can see market closed here and now you can see I am seeing here a reversal area. So this area is a reversal area. So now you can see I predict this candle as a wrongly candle, so therefore I was expecting to market go up, but it came down and it closed as a bearish. So I lost one trade here, but here this was the area. I took my trade here on the level, at the level, so therefore market went up and I won my trade here. Now you can see I took one trade here in a down direction. You can see here in a down trend I have taken my trade in a down direction, because after this candlestick is a sign of reversal here, so therefore the next candle went down, so therefore I won my trade here. Now you can see here I have taken one trade here in a down direction with the margin of safety, and because of my entry point. I won this trade, and now you can see a minor and a very small long leg spinning top candle I'm seeing here. So therefore I won my trade on the basis of my entry point. Now you can see again I took one trade here in a down direction. Why? Because you can see here this candle is a sign of reversal, and I'm seeing here a seller's entry in this candlestick. The trend is a downtrend, a reversal candle, a seller's entry in it. So you can see this candle closed near to this seller's area, so therefore I took my trade here and I won this one. So now you can see here I have taken one trade here in an up direction, and I got here a lucky trade, and I won my trade because of my margin of safety trade. So therefore I won this trade. If you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Stay blessed you all, have a blessed weekend ahead, and you can join our group trading skills on Telegram, and the link is in the description. So if you have any queries, you can ask me directly. I'm there for you all. So stay blessed, have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye for now.